things you are talking about should be presented to the court. Present it to the court. Let the court determine the authenticity. Remember one thing that is going to happen. Look, their legal team will also raise certain issues. Don't think that you just go and then say these things and then you go home and sleep and they'll become factual. The legal teams will say some things. Look, Samson, as I indicated, at the end, you recall that I sat here. If you recall, myself and you, and I made a certain statement a year ago or two when some people were convicted. If you recall, I said that it was a warning to those who were occupying what?
That's correct.
Public offices. I said it here. And that everybody you have to act with decorum and ensure that at all times you act with fairness. I want even my own government officials that they should be careful whatever.
Even when you were in office, you were issuing that call.
I repeatedly said it when I was in office.
You and Alfred Chuanyeboa. I remember that.
And I still stand by that. But I'm saying that procedural fairness, I just want us to be very careful. Look, Samson, have you monitored social media after the press conference? The names that people have called Hanan, he was, indeed, he may have had properties that Attorney General is pursuing him to account. Yes, I don't have any problem. But before he went into, Buffer Stock as CEO in 2017, he was quite successful. Even before he went there, he was quite successful. So
Who was quite successful?
Hanan.
Okay.
Quite successful. I knew him to have very, very, very big properties in Tamale before 2017.
Okay.
So people shouldn't think that everything that he's gotten is as a result of his stay at the place. Some he may have been as a result of his being a chief executive, which will be proven by the state. But he wasn't a pauper at the time. That's why the context we should put it. You see, Samson, me, as I said, you mentioned all these amounts. I've never heard, not seen, some of them I haven't heard before. I sit at my small corner and do all the sweat every day. But my fear is how accused persons will be treated by the public before they are convicted. And when you are convicted, we go after your assets.
Right.
At that particular stage, you have no right to even... Look, do you know that, are you aware, AG didn't say this, but are you aware that some of the assets he has listed, people are contesting the ownership in court? Are you aware? Adenta High Court.
Of those...
Some of the properties, people are contesting the ownership at Adenta High Court.
I am not saying, let me come to you.
So, something you haven't... Allow me to conclude in a minute.
Yeah.
You see, so my take on the matter is this. We should fight graft. We should fight it expeditiously. But we should be mindful of the rights of individuals. Because today, it may be a person that you are trying or prosecuting. Tomorrow, it may be a victim from your side. And we have to be very fair and ensure that whatever we do, we go in accord with the laws and the Constitution.